warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning to all of you. Today we gather to celebrate International Day of Yoga. The word yoga means to unity. While many think yoga is just about physical exercise and difficult poses, it is actually about creating a perfect balance between our body, mind and breath in our basic life where we often feel stressed or distracted. Yoga acts as a superpower. It strengthens our body, it calms our mind, it sharpens our force and concentration. The best part about yoga is that it doesn't care how flexible you are. It only asks you to show up and breathe. As we celebrate this day, let us promise ourselves not to limit yoga to just June 21st. Let's make it a part of our daily routine. Even just 10 minutes a day can change our lives for the better. Thank you and wish you all a healthy International Yoga Day.
पूरा हाथ पैर के अंदर जाना पादहस्तासना बोले तो 30 सेकेंड